Welcome back. Quick update. I got all my plants in earlier this week. My grow tent is about 8 feet tall, 4 feet wide, I believe. Yeah. Passion fruit in the background, cherimoya, various citrus here. My ponderosa with the fertilizer burn. It actually started to put out tons of flower buds. Was hoping it'd put out new leaves, but I guess the older leaves are still doing something because they haven't dropped off yet. But yeah, it should be alive. Yeah, passion fruit, just keeping an eye out on ripening. Should be ripe within the next month. Still putting out flowers, which I am hand pollinating. More citrus here. There's a big passion fruit back here that I'm watching. My Yuzu is starting to turn yellow. There's my Meiwa Kumquat on the right side. It's one of my grow lights. This is a citron on the right. Here's the Nagami. It's starting to turn slightly yellow. It's more like of a light green. These will probably be ready by the winter. My guava is still holding fruit. My Meyer is blooming now, and I actually just pollinated this flower, moved the pollen around the center. Let's see if it holds a fruit. Last year it kept dropping leaves because I was overwatering. Gonna be very careful with watering over the winter. The other passion fruit. Just notice this bloom here. We'll have to pollinate that one later. But yeah, they do grow and ripen fruit in the grow tent. My Hindsii, I just had a ripe one on the top. Confirm again that I don't care for the fruit, but it's mainly going to be used for experimenting purposes, for crossbreeding, and see what I can do with the fruit. I have a fan running here just to keep, the airflow. Stagnant air is bad in here. It gets pretty humid. I have just the bare minimum to keep everything alive. I've seen some really nice setups with carbon filters and stuff. But yeah, this is just the bare minimum to keep everything going until spring. And yep, I'll probably update when the fruit ripens. I'll do a taste test. Thanks for watching.